Hey, buddy. Alright, we are here at Nikko Circuit today. I love this track. I drove it here ages ago in my Chaser, but now we've brought the S15. We actually have a round here after Okabuki, so in 2 rounds time we are driving here, so it's a perfect opportunity to get this car set up and get a little bit of track time actually here. This is a Yashio factory track day. Huge shout out to Samet for inviting me, but there's some cool cars here. I can't wait to get in it. Thanks, Samet. I was just saying, thanks, Samet. Thanks for inviting me. Thank you, Oka-chan. And Samet's just like, what are you doing, man?
Hands are splitting open. Welcome to Nikko.
That was the wrong time to start filming. Anyway, let's get this car unloaded. Oh yeah, Johnny's with me. What's going on? Alright, let's get in the car, let's go out. We're on a set of pretty worn Yokohamas, so not going to get much, but enough to feel the track. No sense of wasting tyres. Got the fit on, got the Japanese overalls. Let's go! Well, this could be very short-lived. The sound guy just came over. I think we did 3 laps, 2 drifting, and we were 107, 108, and 108 dB, and it's supposed to be 105 max, so we're a fair few decibel over. He just said maybe turn down the boost and throttle a little less, so I will try that, but it could be very short-lived because I just want to drive. So I might wait till they run reverse layout before going out again. Anyone know how to quieten down a straight pipe car? I don't know where I can find some steel wool here, so. So the sound DB guy literally came over and said, oh, he spoke to Samet, because Samet can speak Japanese, and he's like, look, I understand you're scared about standing on it past me, but stop driving like a bitch. Because he was standing just over there, and I was like putting past him. I was only 80 dB because I was just rolling past him and then right at the end getting on it. So I can go a little bit faster, he reckons. Boy's got the chop. Bap, 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 bap.
Sounds like a rotary.
Yeah. just went out for some more laps. It was great. We were just trying to really nail that first corner and pitch it in as hard as we can and just get on the gas or get on the accelerator, depending where you come from. But yeah, I think that last one was really good. It was just banged on, full lock, full power. Couldn't go any more angle. We were on the lock stop, so I think that was good. Ran the car quite loosely. That's something I want to try doing this year, is not having all the grip in the car. So and we can't do a massive run up there because we do not know where the little sound guy is, so we're a little bit wary of him and where he is, so we don't get kicked out. Anyway, about to go for lunch. Let's have that and get back into it. Yoshihiro. Sorry, I've been saying this completely wrong. I'm a retard. It's Yashio, not Yoshihiro, whatever the hell I was saying, but Yashio Factory S14. Hello.
Konnichiwa.
SR.
SR 2.2 DT.
DT. I think you said it's around 500 horsepower.
500馬力ぐらい。
Yeah.
約ね、500から550ぐらい。
And with a Garrett G25.
G25。
そうそう、
Hey,
G25。
hey, hey. And sequential 6.
そう、
Yeah, yeah.
TTI。
TTI 6-speed sequential. The car sounds unreal.
あとは、配線が全部引き直ししてて、ミルスペック。
The cable is all mil spec。
Yeah. はい。
そこね。
そうそうそうそうそう。あとは、ミルスペックにすることによって配線が軽い。から軽量化ができる。あとはチームのオリジナルでドーンの3層のラジエーター、アルミじゃなくて、なんて言うんだろう、英語でドーってなんて言うんだろうね。ブロンズは？
ブロンズ？
違う。
It's how to say like this radiator. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
It's like sweet.
Sugoi. I don't know much Japanese, but I know what sugoi means. Like very nice. So.
走ります。はい。今日はもう1時2分になっちゃったよ。早くしないと。すいません。15分終わっちゃうよ。はい。
Saito roll cage built, TIG welded in.
逆走 OK だよ。
Some changes before the next session. We wound some more towing into it because it's about 0. I would say it's about 6 mil a side plus. Let the tyres right down. I don't know if you can see that, but it has the PBM progressive toe, and we moved it from the middle to the bottom plus added toe in. So this thing should be body as. We're going to leave the 4.7 in it and just try to keep it in second gear, reverse layout. Hopefully that's enough. All right, today Nikko Circuit, absolutely amazing. I'm meeting new people, so I'm absolutely stoked. The car ran flawlessly all day. We switched over to a set of Kenders for the last session because this weekend we are running. I am so stoked on today. I had so much fun. Like, I haven't had this much fun just driving. No pressure, no nothing. Hopefully one day I can put it together in FD, but you know, some good seat time in the car. All thanks to the invite from Mr. Samet. Thanks, buddy.
More than welcome to come anytime, man. It's good practice.
Nikko Circuit. Thank you.
Such a good track.
I love it.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll catch you guys later.
Sounds good.
See you on the next vlog. I can say that now. Arigato! Arigato!